Why is cradle-to-cradle important for sustainable logistics? Imagine a world where products are never thrown away and materials keep moving in a never-ending loop. That's the idea behind cradle-to-cradle, a concept that could change how we handle logistics forever. Instead of products ending up in landfills, they are designed to be reused, recycled, or safely returned to nature. This approach fits perfectly with circular economy principles, which focus on keeping resources in use for as long as possible. In traditional supply chains, materials are used once and then discarded, creating waste and wasting resources. Cradle-to-cradle turns this model around by designing products so that, when they reach the end of their life, they can be broken down into biological nutrients that return to the environment or technical nutrients that can be reused again and again. This creates a closed-loop system that reduces waste and pollution. For logistics, this means companies need to rethink how they design packaging, products, and processes. They might create packaging that is easy to disassemble and recycle, or set up reverse logistics systems to collect used products for reuse. This can involve costs upfront, like investing in recycling facilities or new transportation methods, but it pays off by lowering raw material costs and waste disposal fees over time. Cradle-to-cradle also helps improve resource security. Companies that control their materials reduce dependence on raw resources that can be expensive or hard to get. This makes supply chains more resilient and less vulnerable to price swings or shortages. Plus, adopting these practices boosts a company's reputation for caring about the environment, which attracts customers and partners who value sustainability. In practical terms, logistics managers can support cradle-to-cradle by designing products for easy recycling, establishing collection systems for used goods, working with suppliers who follow sustainable standards, and using renewable energy in their operations. These steps help close the loop, making supply chains more efficient and environmentally friendly. Overall, cradle-to-cradle is vital for sustainable logistics because it encourages continuous reuse of materials, reduces waste, and helps us prepare for future resource challenges. It's about creating a system where everything has a second life, making our supply chains more sustainable and ready for the future.